afternoon, students. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to start our classes. I am your science teacher. My name is Sri Swati. From today I am your science teacher. Now we are going to our new chapter. Before that, I am asking you, which is your favorite subject? English? Hindi? Science? Okay, it may be science or other subjects. Why many of the students are saying that they like science the most? What is the reason for that? It may be because in the science classes we are including many experiments, album collection, like many things are there. That makes our learning more interesting. So in my classes too, I will add different types of experiments or creative activities. Some like many things will be there. And so from today you have to follow me as my instructions. I will give you notes and you have to please write it on your note. You have to keep a 100-page note and I will give you PDF notes. You please have to copy it in that note. Now we are going to start our new chapter and its name is Plants Make Food. Plants make food. I hope you all write it on your note already. If you don't write it, please write plants make food. This is our new chapter. In this chapter, we are dealing with something relating to plants. And in this chapter, we are discussing about different types of leaves, which makes how it makes food and what are the different parts of leaves. Now I am giving you an activity and you please take the note, and this activity is to draw a leaf in your note. You please pause this video and start to draw a leaf.
ഇത് പോസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കാണുന്നുണ്ട്.
Okay, in your note, you had already drawn a leaf like that. Maybe it may be something like that, doesn't matter. Here I simply draw a leaf and you please color your leaf. Which color you will give in your leaf? It may be red or black? No, we never give such colors. Most probably we give the leaf green, and there are some other color leaves are there, but still the most leaves are in green color. Then why these leaves are in green color? Who give this green color to these leaves? What is the reason for that? Have you ever think of this? Okay, you may maybe think or may not be, doesn't matter. From today we have to think why these leaves have green color. Do you ever heard about this chlorophyll? Chlorophyll. This chlorophyll give green color to these leaves. Chlorophyll. It may be a new term for you. So from start have to here, I just said that for a leaf having green color, this green color is given by a pigment which is called chlorophyll. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the different parts of a leaf. Do these leaves have different parts? Do you ever think of that? Which are the parts? You can see here a leaf. This is a normal leaf I just plucked from my garden. You all take some leaves from your garden and please check which are the parts of the leaf. And you have to observe that all leaves are in same kind or they are in different. Please look this. You can see there is a stem and here is other stem and here and here. These have different parts. This each and every part have different names and we are going to name it now. Basically, a leaf have 4 parts. They are stalk. S-T-A-L-K. We pronounce it as stalk. Stalk. Next, leaf blade. Leaf blade. Then the third part is main vein. Main vein. And the fourth part is side vein. These 4 parts are the main parts and I will mark it here. I said for a leaf there are mainly 4 parts. The first one is stalk. The second one is leaf blade. The third one is main vein. And the fourth one is side vein. Here the stalk is this. This is the stalk. When looking to this leaf, you can see a stem which points it to the stem of the plant. This is the stalk which attaches this leaf to the main stem. And the second part is leaf blade. Leaf blade, that is this green area is called leaf blade. You can see it is a flattened area and the function of this area is to trap the sunlight to this leaf. This is the leaf blade. And the third one is main vein. This is the main vein, the central vein of this leaf, the main vein. And the fourth part is side vein. That is the small veins that we are seeing in leaves. We know there are number of veins will be there in this leaf and these all veins are called side vein. And the function of side vein is to transfer the water and minerals to this leaf and collect the minerals from the leaves to other parts of plant. These all are the things about the different parts of a leaf. Once more I am telling, there are 4 main parts in a leaf. The first is stalk, then leaf blade, then main vein and then side vein. This is the stalk, the main stem which attaches a leaf to the stem of the plant. Then other is leaf blade which is a flattened area which traps sunlight to the plant. And then third one is main vein which is the stem which goes center through the leaf. And the fourth one is side vein which is the number of veins that comes from the main vein. And one more thing there is that this stalk is also called petile. Stalk or petile. P-E-T-I-O-L-E. Petile. And the main vein is also called midrib. It's also called midrib. These all are about the parts of a leaf. So, we said that a leaf have mainly 4 parts. One is stalk, other is leaf blade, then other is main vein, and the fourth part is side vein or side veins. We know there are number of veins and it is side veins. These are the main parts of a leaf, and I already told you what are the functions of these main parts. Is it clear? The next topic is functions of leaves. What do you mean by these functions of leaves? Have you ever think what is the meaning of functions? These functions means what these leaves are doing to these plants. Why these leaves are there in plants? What are they doing for them? Do you ever think of that? So please think, what are these leaves doing for these plants? In your home, who is preparing food for you? Mom. Okay. So, like that, these leaves are preparing food for these plants. These leaves prepare food for our plants, and it is called, these leaves are kitchen or food factories of plants. These leaves are kitchen or food factories of plants. So we are going to learn what are the functions or what are the things these leaves are doing to plants. The first one is these leaves are preparing food for these plants. That is the first thing. And the second thing is that these leaves help the plants to breathe. These leaves help plants to breathe. That which take the air inside and just exhale the air out. It is done by these leaves. And the third thing is that leaves give shape and color to plants. You can see there are different colored plants are there. Like some garden beautiful leaves are there. You just observe in your garden and you can see there are different types and attractive leaves are there in your garden. So we are discussing about the functions of leaves, and I told you 3 functions are there. The first one is the plants prepare food for, the leaves prepare food for the plants, and the second one is the leaves helps to breathe to the plants, and the third one is the leaves give shape and color to plants. So in this class I told you about, first of all we draw a leaf, then we studied about different parts of leaf, then we studied what are the functions or what are these, why are these for, and just we discuss about these things and what pigment give green color to the leaf, and then we just discussed what are the functions of leaves. These are the things we discussed in this class. Make sure you just understand everything in this class. If you have any doubts, please contact me in my WhatsApp number. Then I will give you a note in a PDF format later, and you please have to write it on your note. I will check it later. Thank you.